This house was made to look at the sky, but not in a simple way. At the center of this house, the roof becomes a window to the sky. Casa Cosmos sits in the Punilla Valley, in Argentina, in a semi-arid region, surrounded by native vegetation, and with open views toward different parts of the landscape. It also coexists with dense native vegetation, typical of this drier region of Argentina. The house is organized around three main directions, three specific views. On one side, the natural reserve. On the other, Cerro Oritueco, and also the lake in the distance. And that defines the entire geometry of the house. The plan is not rectangular, it is triangular, and the spaces are distributed from a central point, almost as if everything rotates around it. At the center is the social area, fully integrated, living room, kitchen, and dining working together, and around it the other spaces, bedroom, studio, more private areas, separated by thicker walls that help with thermal comfort and privacy. But the most important element is above, on the ceiling, a triangular cut, a skylight that brings light into the house, but not directly. The light enters filtered, diffused, and moves throughout the day, marking time inside the space, almost like a natural clock. The house also engages the terrain, but not in a simple way. It creates a base that absorbs the natural slope and elevates the main space. Inside this lower volume are technical areas, storage, and even an independent unit. In other words, the house adapts to the terrain without trying to level everything. The house does not use time as an abstract concept. It shows it. You perceive it. The light changes, and the space changes with it. Another important point is the interior feeling. The house feels like a cave, but an open cave, heavy on the outside, but carved in strategic points. 3 large openings, deep, like galleries, that protect from direct sunlight and create strong shadows. These openings are not just windows, they are intermediate spaces between inside and outside, and they also include sliding metal panels that control light, wind, and privacy. The name of the house was not chosen by chance. It was given by the owner herself when she saw the volume built on the site, and it aligns with the main idea of the design, a house oriented by the sky, light, and the surrounding landscape. Another strong point is the construction. The base is made of thick stone walls, about 40 centimeters, that help retain the soil and stabilize the house. Above that, the main volume is exposed concrete, with texture marked by wooden formwork. Nothing is hidden. Everything shows how it was built. And that connects the house to the place, to the dry climate, to the rough surrounding landscape. The house does not try to soften that, it embraces it. Light, in this context, becomes the main material. It enters, changes color, marks the hours, and completely transforms the space throughout the day. Casa Cosmos was not made to show everything. It was made to frame, to select, and most importantly, to transform something invisible into experience. A house where architecture is not only in the walls, but in time and in the way you perceive it.